The big Arbitrum update for USDFI is finally here. Now you can use concentrated liquidity, pools and voting directly on Arbitrum, saving you fees, time and effort. This video shows you exactly what's new and how to use the new features. Let's start with the new features that are available with the update. On the one hand, there is the concentrated liquidity that I've already mentioned. Concentrated liquidity provides you with a normal pool, so to speak, in which you can invest and manage assets and earn rewards through them. The big difference to normal pools is that you can set a certain price range yourself. Normally, with a liquidity pool, you invest your assets across the entire range of prices. This means that you will receive rewards permanently, since you invest your entire liquidity across the entire price range of the respective tokens. However, this has the following disadvantages. Firstly, permanent and impermanent loss can occur within a normal pool. These occur when the token's price fluctuates within the pool. Secondly, you receive relatively little income as a result. This is exactly where concentrated liquidity comes into play. Of course, there are also impermanent and permanent losses here, but these are significantly less severe, depending on the settings you choose. In addition, you can get a significantly higher APR, because you determine the price range in which your own liquidity is invested. Let's take a look at what this actually means. First of all, find the pool in which you want to invest assets. In this example, I choose the USDFI Ethereum pool. Now I can choose the range within which I want to invest USDFI and Ethereum in relation to each other. In other words, how many USDFI do I want to invest in relation to one Ethereum? What does it mean to set a range, and what happens if you go out of range? A range of concentrated liquidity is the price range in which you provide liquidity. As long as the price stays within that range, your liquidity is used and you earn fees. However, if the price falls outside of your specified range, your tokens will be reallocated so that you end up with only one of the two tokens in your pool. For example, if you have provided liquidity for USDFI and Ethereum and the price of Ethereum rises, USDFI will automatically be sold until you only have Ethereum in the pool. This is where the concept of impermanent loss comes into play. The big difference with concentrated liquidity is that when the price returns to your specified range, you buy back the missing tokens. This does not result in a permanent loss as long as the price returns to the original range. The more narrow you set your range, the higher your APR will be. However, this has the disadvantage that if you fall out of the range, you will no longer receive rewards. But you can also see in this overview, for example, how other people invest their assets. This is indicated by the green line. However, if you now want to reserve the price range here in the overview because, for example, you can calculate better with it, simply click on the arrows on the left at USDFI per WETH and the sides are swapped. Secondly, you can use this range overview as a kind of limit order. I can also place the lines outside of the range on purpose to the right of it in this example and can now only add WETH or Ethereum. If USDFI reaches the value shown at the top of the range or enters my range, the pool will start buying USDFI at the price I have set. Of course, the whole thing also works the other way around. In short, if you buy at the price you set with a spot trade or sell at that price, depending on how you set the slider. Once you have set everything to the way you want it, all you have to do is enter the value of the tokens you want to invest within the specified range below and press submit. Now confirm the transactions in your wallet and you will start earning rewards. If you want, you can also invest your liquidity in different ranges. This is useful, for example, if you want to invest 80% of your investment in a rather secure way and get a higher APR with 20% of it. Now you can view your positions directly by clicking on Your Position in the upper right corner, and you will get an overview of the positions you have created. You can also find your assets in the concentrated liquidity overview, also in the right top corner. Within this view, you can also see whether your position is still in range or not. As I said, as long as you are within the range, you will receive rewards. If you are out of the range, you will no longer earn rewards. But now let's slowly move on to the second new feature with the Arbitrum update. This is the bond market on Arbitrum. Although its functionality differs little from the bond market on the Binance Smart Chain, transactions on Arbitrum are cheaper and therefore more worthwhile than on the BSC. However, the bond market on Arbitrum will become more and more interesting in the future, and this is due to the new referral system. In the new referral system, users are rewarded significantly more for actively recruiting new members than before. If you meet all the requirements, you can receive up to 16% of a recruited income. You can find the requirements on the affiliate page at arbitrum.usdfi.com. In short, this means that if, for example, your referred members invest $1,000 in the bond market together, you can get up to $160 paid out directly to your wallet. This really rewards those who are particularly active in building the community. To be able to recruit new members, you must already be active in the referral system and have shared your link with the respective user. But that's it from us for now on the topic of the Arbitrum update. If you still have any questions, something is unclear, or you just want to get something off your chest, please let us know in the comments or take another look at the video descriptions where you will find all the important links. Thanks so much for watching, hope to catch you in the next one. See you.